How to turn on and off portrait mode on Snapchat. So if you want to turn on or turn off portrait mode on Snapchat, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat application. After opening your Snapchat, now to turn on or turn off your portrait mode, on the right side you may have a plus icon or a drop down icon. So you need to tap on that drop down or plus, and here with these options you will have a focus option. You need to tap on focus and you will be able to turn on your portrait mode. But if it's not available, then it might not be available in your region, or you just need simply go and update your application so that you will get that option. You can go with your Play Store, go with search. Under search you can search for Snapchat. After that, if you have any updates, you can go and update it, and after updating you may have that option. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.